If you have a minute, listen up. Here is a list of 9 gene mutations that most of you are affected by. So please take a minute and hear me out as I will guide you on what supplements you require and by repairing these dirty genes you may have. Number 1, individuals with MTHFR mutation may benefit from supplementing with specific nutrients to support proper methylation and enzymatic processes. Methylfolate in the range of 400 to 1000 micrograms per day provides the active form of folate that actually bypasses the MTHFR mutation. Vitamin B12 in the form of methylcobalamin at 1000 to 2000 micrograms per day supports methylation as the active form of B12. Riboflavin, vitamin B2, at 20 to 50 milligrams per day acts as a cofactor for the MTHFR enzyme. Additionally, vitamin B6 in the form of P5P at 25 to 50 milligrams per day supports various enzymatic reactions as the active form of B6. Next, individuals with the PEMT mutation, supplementation with certain nutrients can actually support proper liver function, lipid metabolism, and methylation processes. You have choline at a dosage of 500 to 1000 milligrams per day is essential for liver health and the lipid metabolism. Phosphatidylcholine, a readily absorbed and neuralized form of choline, can be supplemented at 1000 to 2000 milligrams per day. SAMe, it's a key methylation donor involved in numerous biochemical reactions, may be beneficial at 400 to 1200 milligrams per day for those with this mutation. Number 3, individuals with the COMT FAS mutation may benefit from specific nutrient supplementation to support neurotransmitter balance, relaxation, and brain health. Magnesium ionic chloride at a dosage of 400 to 600 milligrams per day can actually help promote relaxation and regulate neurotransmitters. Vitamin B6 in the form of P5P at 25 to 50 milligrams per day is crucial for neurotransmitter synthesis and regulation. Of course, you have omega-3 as well, fatty acids such as EPA and DHA at 1000 to 2000 milligrams per day supports brain health and help manage inflammation. Additionally, L-theanine is an amino acid that promotes relaxation and reduces stress, can be supplemented at 200 to 400 milligrams per day for those with this mutation. Number 4, for individuals with the COMT slow mutation, proper methylation and neurotransmitter regulations are supported through specific nutrient supplementation. We do have SAMe at a dosage of 400 to 1200 milligrams per day is beneficial for methylation processes and neurotransmitter regulation. Vitamin B12 in the form of methylcobalamin at 1000 to 2000 micrograms per day is essential for maintaining healthy methylation pathways. Active forms of folate such as methylfolate or folinic acid at 400 to 1000 micrograms per day supports methylation and neurotransmitter balance. Additionally, magnesium ionic chloride at 400 to 600 milligrams per day is important for managing stress and supporting overall health in those with this mutation. Number 5, individuals with the GST-GPX mutation may benefit from supplementation to support glutathione levels and antioxidant defense mechanisms. And acetylcysteine at a dosage of 600 to 1200 milligrams per day acts as a precursor to glutathione, the body's master antioxidant. Of course, direct supplementation with glutathione as well at 500 to 1000 milligrams per day can also help support detoxification and antioxidant defense. Selenium at 100 to 200 micrograms per day is a cofactor for glutathione peroxidase and supports antioxidant activity. Additionally, vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that works synergistically with glutathione, can be supplemented at 1000 to 2000 milligrams per day for individuals with this mutation. Number 6, for individuals with the DAO mutation, which affects histamine metabolism, certain nutrients can actually provide support. Copper at a dose of 2 to 4 milligrams per day acts as a cofactor for DAO and aids in actually breaking down histamine. Vitamin B6 in the form of P5P at 25 to 50 milligrams per day is essential for DAO activity and proper histamine metabolism. Vitamin C at 1000 to 2000 milligrams per day supports immune function and helps manage inflammation, which can be exacerbated by histamine intolerances. Omega-3 fatty acids such as EPA, DHA at 1000 to 2000 milligrams per day help regulate inflammation and support overall health in those with this mutation. Number 7, individuals with the NOS3 mutation may benefit from supplementation to support nitric oxide production and cardiovascular health. Nitrate supplements such as beetroot extract at a dose of 500 to 1000 milligrams per day can actually help boost nitric oxide production. Vitamin C at 1000 to 2000 milligrams per day enhances nitric oxide bioavailability and support endothelial function. Vitamin D at 2000 to 5000 IU per day helps regulate NOS synthase 3 expression and supports overall cardiovascular health. Additionally, of course, omega-3 fatty acids, EPA, DHA, 1000 to 2000 milligrams per day supports healthy blood vessel function and reduce inflammation, which can contribute to cardiovascular issues in those with this mutation. Number 8, for individuals with the MAOA fast mutation, certain nutrients can actually help support neurotransmitter balance, relaxation, and of course brain health. You have magnesium ionic chloride at a dosage of 400 to 600 milligrams per day, helps regulate the neurotransmitters and of course promotes relaxation. Vitamin B6 in the form of P5P at 25 to 50 milligrams per day is actually crucial for neurotransmitter synthesis and regulation. Omega-3 fatty acids, of course EPA and DHA, as we've mentioned, 1000 to 2000 milligrams per day. It does support brain health and help manage inflammation. L-theanine, it's an amino acid that actually promotes relaxation and reduces stress, can be supplemented at 200 to 400 milligrams per day. Additionally, taurine as well, 1000 to 2000 milligrams per day is an amino acid that actually supports brain function and helps regulate neurotransmitters. And number 9, individuals with MAOA slow mutation now may benefit from specific nutrient supplement to support neurotransmitter metabolism, methylation, and overall brain health. You have vitamin B2 and riboflavin, 20 to 50 milligrams per day, acts as a cofactor for MAOA and supports neurotransmitter metabolism. Vitamin B6, again, in the form of P5P, 25 to 50 milligrams per day, as well as essential for neurotransmitter synthesis and regulation. Active forms of folate. You have methylfolate, the one I like actually, at 400 to 1000 micrograms per day, supports methylation processes and neurotransmitters. Balance, you have SAMe, anywhere between 400 to 1200 milligrams per day as well. It does support methylation and helps regulate neurotransmitters. In addition, magnesium ionic chloride, 400 to 600 milligrams per day, is important as well for managing stress and supporting overall health in those with this slow mutation. So that said, I know a lot of you have been asking me about the supplements I take to stay healthy and feel my best. Well, I've got some exciting news for you to share with you. See, here's the deal. I've discovered that the key to finding the perfect supplement plan is to actually customize it based on your unique genetic makeup and the specific nutrients you might be missing from your diet. It's like having a personalized roadmap to optimal health. Now, I know what you might be thinking. That sounds complicated and expensive, but don't worry, I've got your back. I found a way to help you navigate this process without breaking the bank. So imagine having the power to unlock your body's full potential just by taking the right supplements tailored to your individual needs. That's kind of life-changing transformation I'm talking about. So here's the action plan. 1, take a genetic test to identify any gene mutation that could affect your nutrient absorption and overall health. You don't need the 10x that only checks 5 genes. There's others way better and way more expensive. Number 2, I'll analyze your diet to pinpoint any nutrients you might be lacking. 3, let me help you interpret the test results and guide you on the specific supplement you need to take based on your unique genetic profile and dietary needs. And the best part, You won't have to shell out hundreds of dollars to multiple online companies for their personalized service. I'm here to help you every step of the way without the hefty price tag. So if you're ready to take control of your health and feel the difference that a customized supplement plan can actually make, let's do this together. Shoot me a message and we'll get started on your path to optimal wellness. And trust me, friends, this is a game changer. Let's unlock your body's full potential and start living your best life starting today.